In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily open Google Sheets from your browser. Whether you're managing your personal finances or collaborating with colleagues, Google Sheets is a powerful tool that you can access with just a few clicks. Let's go over a couple of simple methods to get you started right away. The first method is super straightforward. All you need to do is go to Google Sheets directly through your browser's address bar. Open your browser and notice the space at the top where you usually type in web addresses. That's your address bar. Simply type in sheets.google.com and press Enter. This will take you straight to the Google Sheets homepage. Here, you'll have quick access to any existing spreadsheets you've worked on recently. Plus, you'll have the option to create a new one if that's what you need. It's as easy as that. Just a direct link and you're ready to go. For the second method, we'll use the Google Apps menu, which is another reliable way to access Google Sheets. Start by opening a new tab in your browser. In the upper right corner, you'll see the Google Apps icon, which looks like a 3x3 grid of dots. Click on that grid. A drop-down menu will appear, displaying various Google services you can access. Scroll down through this menu until you find the Sheets icon. Click on it, and it will take you directly to the Google Sheets homepage, just like the first method. This method is great if you frequently use several different Google services, as you can switch between them with ease right from the same menu. Also, it always helps to have a couple of ways to reach your destination, so choose what feels most convenient for you. And there you have it, 2 simple ways to access Google Sheets from your browser. These options are designed to fit seamlessly into your day-to-day workflow, keeping everything right at your fingertips. Whether you're deep into data analysis or just trying to keep track of your tasks, being able to access Google Sheets quickly will undoubtedly streamline your productivity. I hope you find these steps helpful the next time you need to hop onto Google Sheets. Staying organized and efficient has never been easier with these tools at your disposal. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks to make the most out of your digital experience.